Sniffling and sneezing at home, something in your house may be causing that.
The first culprit you want to look for around the house: clutter. Old newspapers, magazines, cans, and grocery bags make perfect homes for dust mites and mold, so make sure you recycle every week. Next stop, the bathroom. Most bathroom walls love mold, and that is a prime allergen, so you want to wipe them down often with a chlorine bleach solution. And finally, those household plants. They can accumulate mold on their leaves, so remove the dying leaves immediately. And also, you don't want to let water sit in the pot's tray.
It was quite the